Hi everyone, I am Amaras Mamao. In this video, I'm going to reveal how to make money online using Digistore24. Now, this is not going to be like other videos that I'm talking about doing this because I'm personally actually make thousands of dollars per month with affiliate marketing, and I have made millions of dollars with the platform Digistore24. So you are going to be learn this from some who is actually doing this. So I can show you how the real way of going about making money online doing affiliate marketing with Digistore24. Affiliate marketing is where you are promoting some else product, and every single time that you get a sale, you get a percentage of that sales. Now, most people out there who try to do affiliate marketing do is in the wrong way. They put their links in place that nobody's going to be buy from them. They do not promote it is correctly, and they are not implementing the secrets that I'm about to reveal to you within this video. In order to make real money with an affiliate marketing, we need to be provide value to people, and the way we do that is through a couple of simple secrets that I'm going to be revealed to you within this video. Now, why should you choose Digistore24 opposed to the other affiliate marketing such as ClickBank? There are individual products with affiliate program you can sign up for. Now, the reason I recommend doing Digistore24, at least looking into, is that number one, there is a ton of product to promote in a variety of different niches. Number two, there is a ton of digital product to promote, which are my personal favorite and recommended when it comes to doing affiliate marketing, due to the fact that every single time you get a sale, the vendor does not have to pay any fulfillment cost when it comes to actually delivering that product, meaning not only more money for them but also more money for you as an affiliate. Number three, it is worldwide, meaning you can sign up from almost anywhere in the world. Number four, they offer more likely payouts in the week. Number five, they have different payout options. They can pay out of different directly to your bank account, or they also have PayPal as an option. Number six, there is only really important is that they have 180 days of cookies. A lot of other affiliate network only have 30 up to 60 days of cookies, and essentially what that makes that of somebody clicks your link and they decide to buy up to 118 days later, you as an affiliate still get that commission. And now let's get into how to do affiliate marketing the right way to make money using Digistore. Step 1, sign up. For an account is very simple. Just go to Digistore24, click register now. In the top right corner, select affiliate and then fill out all the required information. Now make sure that you write down and remember your Digistore24 when you sign up, because you are going to be needing this for some of the steps I'm about to go over. Step 2, sign up for payout account. This is how you are going to be actually get paid from Digistore24. To do this, first login and then go to account, then payout account, and then fill out all the bank information it is as asked for. You can also select how many payouts per month you want to go. Your payment 1,000, and you can choose to get paid via direct deposit or PayPal. Single right. Number 3 or step 3, choose your niche and product. In order to do this, get to Digistore affiliate market by clicking marketplace at the top of the website. Typically, the best niche with the most demand field is to few different categories: health, wealth, happiness, relationship, and travel. There is a lot of demand for these niches because people want to solve their problems within these areas. I recently did a video on my channel that talks about the top 24 best niches to make money on YouTube, and I think this is really relevant for promoting Digistore product as well. If you are wondering what the best niches are, make sure to check out that videos. On the affiliate marketplace, you may see my program to master and monetization. Step 4, generally you have to generate your link. These are the links that you actually promote. In just a second, I am going to hash the right way of promoting your link to get ton of free traffic to your offers. First, you need to generate them. To do that, going to Digistore, select account, on the top toolbar, select affiliate partnership, and then go down to the product that you do like to promote. Click the pencil icon next to it, and from there you can copy the promo link that shows up in that. This is the link that you are going to give a people. Secret test is your link. It is really important to ensure that you get your affiliate commission every time you get a sale, and that is by simple testing your link to make sure that you get your commission. To do that, it is very simple. All you need to do is open your link in an incognito window on your computer and then click through the funnel all the way to check out pages if you are going to buy that product yourself. Then simply scroll down to the bottom of the checkout page and look it in the right bottom right hand corner. If you see you affiliate ID, that means you get a commission every time some buys through your link up to 18 days later. Step 5, traffic sources. Choose your traffic source. There are two types of traffic, free and free traffics. Each one has its own pro and cons. Personally, use both traffic sources to my advantage. I'm going to show you the best three traffic sources that I'm currently using as an affiliate for the 301 paid traffic sources. Starting with from number one, in my opinion, the number one best free traffic source is YouTube by far. Obviously, I'm biased because I'm uploading thousands of videos to YouTube and they are made million upon million of dollars. The reason I recommend YouTube so much is that every video has what I would consider a long half-life, and compared to other social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, where content tends to be performed well only for a short periods. YouTube video can continue to get views for months, even years. Best of all of the traffic is free. All you have to do is generate YouTube video to promote your affiliate links. You may be asking what type of video you should generate to promote your affiliate links. You simply want to make sure that your video are related to the product you are promoting. You can even do YouTube without showing your face. For example, you can screen record videos using free software like OBS or Snipping Record on your computer, showing different tutorials and then sell different programs for it. From free traffic source number two is Instagram. Even though I love YouTube and Easy, I also use Instagram to get tens of thousands of dollars worth of sales per month. When it comes to the Instagram, I recommend creating an optimized Instagram profile with your affiliate link in your bio. Then produce and upload content similar to what working well on Instagram. Can check this by going to the explore page and the hashtag page, searching your niche and seeing the top posts. Generate more posts like the most using relevant hashtags to get organic reach. Also, organic reach to Instagram can be limited. You can pack your Instagram well by buying paid shoutouts from places like Shortcut on the top of Instagram page. When this is a free traffic, you can use this lead to sell your affiliate program. Traffic source number three is running a blog post. You can set up a blog using Google hosts like WPix hosting and create it with WordPress to find article ideas using a free tool like Uber suggests to write about topics with high reach volume and low competition. Paid traffic source number one is your YouTube ads. I have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on YouTube ads and made much more back by selling product from my ads. The most powerful YouTube ad you can run is retargeting ads. This is where you retarget your viewers and subscribers from your YouTube channel by showing them ads long into the future after they watch your previous video. These are the most profitable ads I run, and I help highly recommend building up a YouTube channel to take advantage of this. I also run a place ads and keyword building up on YouTube channel to take advantage of this. I also run placement ads and based ad when I target specific keywords related to what I'm selling. For example, if I'm selling my YouTube courses, I will target ads like how to make money online and how to make money on YouTube. Placement ads are where I find video with my niche and run skippable in stream and ad on them. Paid traffic source number two and three are Facebook and Instagram ads. However, most good vendor provide affiliate resource like ads you can use on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. You can download and use them to run your ads. Step number six, analyze and optimize based on what is working. Once you have find a traffic source that gets you many sales, it is time to double down on it. You can do this by creating campaign K-link with Digistore. This allows you to create individual campaign for each traffic source, such as YouTube organics, Facebook ads, Instagrams, and within Digistore Analytics, you can see which source generates the most sales and the focus on those. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to do more and gain your concern by comments and like.